How to take a photo in TikTok. First of all, open the TikTok app. Tap on the profile icon. Here you can see plus icon. Tap here. You can take a photo. Now tap on this button. Here you can see you have taken a photo. You can add music from here. You can add text from here. You can try different options as well. You can add a filter. Here you can see you can tap on voice, you can tap on crop to crop the photo, you can tap on effects to add an effects, you can add text from here as well. You can edit a photo as well by tapping from here. After finalizing, you can tap on next and add a catchy title and description, and then you can post this photo in your TikTok profile. So this is it for this video. If you found this video helpful, hit the like button. If you have any questions, you can ask me in the comment section below.